It's Patrick at Pals. Putting an engine back in a car requires a lot of geometry. Everything has to be lined up exactly right. The crane has to have the amount of length on the boom to stay away from the car's body. And then you have to slowly level it down into the cradle for the engine. Every engine is the same way in an old muscle car. New cars sometimes come in from the bottom instead of the top. This one's going to go right down to connect to the transmission. When we get done, it'll have 3 mounts, one on each side in the front and one on the back for the transmission. If you have a classic car and you want more power, bring it to Pals. See you soon.